looking, Rich?
Set and ready to go.
We got the new bow fishing gear. The other time we used a sucker punch. This is a shore runner. Let's see what they can do. All right, guys. So we're out here. We're gonna get ready to bow fish. This is my friend Romeo right here. So we grew up together. And Legacy Martial Arts, Oxnard.
Look me up. I only have like 500 followers.
Legacy Martial Arts in Oxnard Taekwondo studio. He owns it. He's out here on vacation, and we are gonna go bow fishing.
Yeah, so rule number one when it comes to any bow is, you don't dry fire it. All you gotta do for this one is push this button so the line's loose, and then when you see a fish, you can grab these right here and then just pull back. Wherever feels comfortable, then let it and we'll shoot.
How many are you gonna get today, Ju?
Just only 5. I don't want to go too much, so but you guys feel bad.
You're gonna miss a lot, Richie.
You're gonna miss about 95.
Yeah, you'll miss 1,000 shots, so get used to it. Richie already missed a shot. He shot at a gizzard shad. So you guys can jump off the back. Just go check those shallows real quick, because there's a lot that hang out back there. Julian's wearing bright red. They're gonna see him. Where is he?
He was right here. He swam that way.
He's right here.
Oh, he was in a bed?
He's right here.
Right on that other side.
All right, new spot. We couldn't get on him. We're still out here. We've got a few shots. We got the whole crew back here ready. We're gonna shoot some. Oh, you got him! You got him! Nice! Nice! Brendan, got it. Hold up. Record it. Look, I don't have something to record it. Hold up. Oh, look at that. Romeo just hooks up with a monster tilapia. That was crazy. He was facing you. Holy cow. Yeah, let me get a picture real quick.
Alright, let's go back.
Alright.
Dude, that was dope.
You gonna ice him or?
Yeah. We need to bleed him and ice him.
Oh, bleed him.
Yeah, let me get this out.
Nice shot. He was facing you?
Yeah, I listened to what you said. I aimed about like 12 inches down.
Yeah.
It helped that I was like 8 feet away from it though.
Yeah. Oh, he almost went.
He almost got away. Oh, calm down, man. You're dirting the boat.
I hope I didn't cuss on your video. I'll try not to.
That's all good. Yeah.
Bleep.
Oh! Somebody got him.
Nice. Wait. You might need to shoot him again.
I think I got him. Yeah.
That Juju got him. Big carp.
Shoot him again, Rich.
Center masked him.
Hey, he's barely hooked on it.
Yeah, you barely got him. You have to shoot him again. Just put another one in him. Just makes it safe.
He looks pretty.
I think you got him good.
Don't pull on him too hard. He's gonna come off. I'm telling you guys.
Hey, hit that.
Here, pull.
Here, just bring me over there. I'm gonna whack him.
Hold it tight so I can shoot his head.
If you miss, you're grounded. No.
Oh! Freaking Robin Hood.
Center mask. Now he's a goner.
Juju, your first bowfish
double
kill. Good job.
Oh yeah, June's there one good. Jude, that was your first unassisted bowfish kill, yeah?
Yep.
Ju, I haven't seen a shot like that since I shot 2 days ago.
How do we get him out?
Dude, this thing got jacked up.
You gotta push him through and then you loosen that tip.
Practice.
Can you hold it? Here. Put him in the live well for a picture later. With the tilapia.
Tilapia still alive?
God dang! He slapped the heck out of me.
I got that off of dude. Fish slap. Fish slap. You called him skinny.
I told him skinny, man. He came and slapped you.
Just roll him in. You don't even gotta pick him up. You'll pick him up when he's dead later.
Man, look at his shoes. Zoom in on his shoes.
Oh heck no! Hold up. Hold your bow and I'm
no.
gonna zoom in on your shoe. Those are your school shoes too, huh?
See, look at my cast rod right there. He slapped it.
Oh yeah. Well, mom's gonna be mad at you. You're up next, Rich.
Yeah, I need to get one, man.
I think that counts though. No.
That was a practice shot. I need to get one.
Getting ready for bow hunting season now. You can pull 45 constantly now. 2 inches.
Oh no!
No manches.
God, over.
He looked like he was in half an inch of water.
He wasn't
He was asleep. Better to shoot under than over.
Did we both get him? No, hold on. He's barely hooked.
That's another tilapia. Gaffed him. Gaffed him. Who got him?
Somebody got him. Who will be the lucky one that got him?
Who will be the lucky one? That's a small one too. I think it takes more skill to shoot the small ones. No.
We're still wondering who got it.
Rich got him.
Yes.
That means everybody's got one now.
With the assist.
Everybody's got one.
Richie's first bow kill.
Now, whoever gets hit is the real champ. No.
That's a good day right there when you come out here and everybody you bring out kills either a tilapia or a carp.
I like shot.
Beautiful.
Oh, you both hit it.
Just saying.
He did. He did.
Dude,
that's crazy.
They both went
You
through
both
it.
hit it.
He's through it right now.
They both went through it.
That's a huge hole. Look at that hole.
Yeah, bro. Don't let them get away. He's gonna bounce over.
You guys both hit him.
Hey, tilapia. Jew. Oh, there. See him? He's sideways.
Watch out,
Shoot, shoot. Jew, you get that, I'll give you $100. Oh my gosh!
What?
I'm over here getting rushed.
Oh, he's swimming to the right.
Hold on.
Oh, he's behind that bush now. I was telling him he's ready for bow hunting season then.
First time out, Juju hit one. All three of you guys, first time out. That's right. Alright guys, we're closing it up. Bringing it in. We only got 2 tilapia and 1 carp. Yeah, Romeo got lucky. Hit one head on, straight through the eyeball. We are going to cook them at the end of this video. Do a little catch and cook action. If you live in the Oxnard area, pay him a visit. Tell him Sin City Outdoors sent you 10% off the first month, right?
That's right.
So that's our boat out there. We're running the Grizzly 2072. I think it's even marketed to be a bow fishing boat. It's big flat platform on it that makes awesome bow fishing.
So we're back at the house. Tilapia are looking good, nice and fresh. They're ice cold. And Adrian's gonna fillet these guys right now and prep them for the cook.
We're back at the house now, and look what we got here. Some awesome tilapia fillets. I already filleted them up. I've done past videos on how to fillet them up, and now they've just been sitting for a little while. We're about to cook them up. Now, one of the awesome things about going and shooting your own tilapia is just the sheer size of these fillets. When you get them from the store, they're tiny little fillets. And a lot of times, you know, people say don't eat the tilapia that are farm raised and all this stuff because they put stuff in them. These are completely natural, healthy tilapia right here. Right now, I'm gonna try a brand new recipe that I never tried before. It's actually a very healthy way for you to eat it also. So these are the ingredients we're gonna be using right here. Garlic, black pepper, looks like parsley. We got some multi-spices here, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using as we go because there's a bunch of seasonings on this. Got some lime juice here. The ingredients that we should be using are lemon slices, but we don't have any. That'll work just fine. Obviously, you gotta have butter. So I'm gonna trim up these guys really quick. They still got these blood marks. Now, a lot of times, this red stuff on your fillets gives it a really fishy taste. So what I'm actually gonna do right now is I'm gonna go through with my knife and just kind of trim all this away and try to get it all off. As you can see, it's on just about all the fillets. Some not as bad as the others, but all we're gonna do is get yourself a nice sharp knife and just kind of trim it away the best you can. Some people leave it on, I don't. A lot of times with these bigger ones, I'll even come down the center right here and just cut this part out right here because that red bloodline runs all the way up. And while I'm trimming these up, I'm actually going to take a second at a time to turn on my oven. Let's see right there. We're going to put it to 350 degrees and let it warm up as we continue trimming these tilapia. All I did really quick is I got some of this canola non-stick cooking spray sprayed a little down there so the fish doesn't stick. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to line the tilapia fillets inside, and then once they're all lined up like that, all laying in there, what we're actually going to do is we're going to get a little bowl like this one, and we're going to mix all of these ingredients. Now it calls for 3 tablespoons of butter, but I'm going to use 6. Should I use 6? I think so. So we're going to go ahead and use 6 just to make it real juicy. Not worried about anything. People in my family like their fish to be pretty juicy. We're going to go ahead and melt this butter really quick. I don't know how long I'm going to leave it in there, so I'm going to put it for a minute and just watch it until it's kind of melted. Oh snap. Take about 23 seconds and it's almost completely melted down. So we're going to go ahead and do a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Keep in mind we're doubling all the ingredients right now because we have 2 fish here and it's a lot of fish. We've got big tilapia. If you guys are going to do 1 fish or a little bit less fish, you can go ahead and just half this, and that's what a lot of people actually do. So right now we're going to actually throw this in the butter. We're going to do a teaspoon, if it'll even come out. Well, we got to change the plan. I couldn't get the cayenne pepper out of the thing, so I'm going to go ahead and use just some chili powder. Same difference. That should be enough because I spilled some. Boom, perfect. Now we're going to do a teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of parsley here. 2 tablespoons of this lime juice. A lot of people use lemon juice, but we got lime juice on us. And then after it cooks, you know, you could obviously put more on. I forgot to mention the salt earlier, but we're actually going to go ahead and just do about a half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of garlic also. It looks crazy actually, it's all colorful and stuff. Stir it up pretty good. Now that we're done mixing it, this fork's done. Go ahead and taste it. Tastes really good right there. So we're gonna go ahead now and pour this over the fish. I'm gonna try my best to evenly coat it, but chances are it's not. But here we go. I'm just gonna pour it. Looks pretty well coated right there. This fish is ready to be put in the oven. Looks delicious, and the seasonings taste pretty good. It's gonna sit about 20 minutes or so until the fish starts to flake. That's the main thing when you're cooking fish, is it's gotta start to flake before it's done. So it's been about 18-20 minutes now. We're gonna go ahead and look at this. That big piece isn't quite flaky yet. That one looks done right there. So these smaller pieces are done, and these bigger ones, like I said, we're gonna let them sit maybe another like 5 minutes. They're pretty much done. This was baked tilapia, first time I've ever done this recipe right here. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Super soft. It's actually pretty good right there. Really good. Once it's all done and you pull it all out, you'll be able to get that butter and all that seasoned mixed and pour it all over this fish too. But as it sits right now, this is really good. Those bigger ones took 25 minutes. So we're going to take this fish, we're going to put it back in here, and we're going to actually mix up this juice around them again and start making plates for people to eat. So we're going to go ahead and kind of mix around the juices in here. So Julian doesn't want to be a taste tester this time. He's got his shirt off right there. That's why. But we're going to go ahead and make Senior a plate right now. We also made some broccoli on the side. All we did was steam it and throw a little butter on it. So we're going to go ahead and throw him a little bit of fish, a little bit of broccoli, a little bit of noodles, and see what he thinks. I'm about to walk this up to him really quick. Julian didn't want to do it. He had his shirt off. He didn't feel like getting dressed. So tilapia's done. Got you some broccoli on there and some noodles. Tell me what you think. There's more tilapia too. I was trying to make you a plate really fast.
It's pretty good. You tried something new this time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes
Something
good.
other than frying it. We were gonna make tacos, but then Julian was like talking all this junk about how all we do is fry fish and do the same like 3 recipes. So we tried something new. Is it good?
Yeah, that's delicious.
Yeah, I'm about to go make me a plate then.
Nice. Thank you. That was delicious.
So that was a very easy recipe anybody can do if you get fish. I'm sure that'll work with just about any type of fish out there. We happen to have tilapia. We just shot them not too long ago actually with our bows. Took some friends out. That was their first time. Unfortunately they couldn't be here to eat it also because they were traveling, but as you guys can see, that's the final product. Everybody's already kind of got a plate out of it, but that's going to be plenty to feed the family today. We also got the broccoli and the noodles like I showed you. But once again, very easy recipe. Very easy recipe to do. I highly recommend you guys try this one. Turned out amazing. You know, we wanted to try a new recipe because when we were cooking, we realized we're always using the same like 3 recipes for all for everything we're cooking. So went ahead and tried a new one. As you can see, it turned out amazing. Go ahead and try it. Let me know if you guys try it, and if you guys want to see more of this, if you guys want to see more bow fishing, more catch and cooks, anything's on the table. Tag applications, we just put them in and we should be getting results here soon. Now it's time to make me a plate. So once again, if you guys try this, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below if you guys try it and how you like it. If it worked out for you just as good as it did for us, and just let me know how you think of it. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you outdoors.